Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what are the blessings coming to you for this Christmas. So what universe is going to gift you with. So let us start off with the reading. So let us take the cards and then let me explain you each and every card. So let us see what is going to be your gift for this December, Christmas 2024. So let us see whom all is watching this video. What is the gifts unfolding for them for this Christmas? What are the gifts coming towards you for this Christmas? Let me know in the cards. What are the gifts coming towards you for this Christmas? What are the gifts coming towards you for this Christmas? What are the gifts coming towards you for this Christmas? So let me explain these cards. Yeah. So this card is like Four of Swords. Four of Swords is like you have been working so hard till now, and just mentally, emotionally, all the time you were been thinking about. Either it's going to be healing. What should I change myself? What is it making me upset? How should I overcome it? Or let it be career. So what should I do to betterment? What should I do to earn more? What should I do to march forward towards financial abundance? All these things you have been always thinking about, this stressing yourselves. So now it's time to take a break, celebrate yourselves, just rest and relax. So that is what the cards are telling you. Rest and relax. Four of swords is actually rest and relax and meditate. Then Eight of Pentacles. After that, concentrate in work, and after that, put all your effort, energy, time, invest all your time and energy into whatever you feel passionate about. Put your whole heart and soul in your work, and until the expected outcome comes, keep improvising, keep improvising, keep improvising. Until that, you keep focusing and pinpointed, concentrated focus in your work. That is what Eight of Pentacles is telling you. So this is also a blessing in disguise. So it is telling, like, you can, when you self improvise yourselves, now you learn to handle situations, you learn to handle people around you. Because once you try, you fail, obviously you yourself will feel so guilty about you, or as if you are unworthy. So you have to learn to handle all those things, and you should always remember the eternal truth. Whether you succeed or fail, you are a worthy person, you are loved by God. And when you fail, now the people around you talk all nonsense about you, which makes you feel very inferior. So you will learn to handle people also. So you will learn to handle situations and people around you. So this is also a blessing in disguise. Okay, so this is what is about Eight of Pentacles. Then is the Fool card. Fool card is like she's standing in a mountain cliff, and see the way her dresses is like flying. She's not even caring about anything else, and complete full of butterflies. So that much transformation you have gone through. So this Fool card is like, I'm ready for a new journey. and she's like, whatever I want to live my dreams in reality. So how much of a risk I have to take for that, I'm mentally prepared for that. I'm ready to take that risk. If I have to jump from this mountain cliff only, I can live my dreams in reality, then I'm ready to jump from this mountain cliff also. That much risk I'm ready to take. That is what she's standing there. And already she's so much of undergone so much of life challenges, and she has undergone so much of situationships, and now she's a completely transformed version from for what she was. So that is why this butterfly transformation, all that. And she also knows, and she's very aware of, there will be red flags on this journey. I'm ready to face those red flags also. My mind is fresh, my energy is fresh, I'm feeling very renewed. I don't want to carry any past baggage. I'm ready for the journey. This is a typical blessing from the universe. Universe has made you ready to this extent to make you eligible to receive the gift you have asked for. Okay, so next is the hanged man. Hanged man is like, during all this work, and then healing, you are like that, so you're not able to concentrate on your day-to-day daily basis activities. And so now you are feeling like, why am I feeling so much stress? Why am I feeling like I'm not able to concentrate on anything? Why am I feeling like I'm stuck like that? So now you are putting a pass button to all your, whatever it is, all your work surrounding you, and you want to find out what is making you feel upset, what is making you stagnant, what is making you feel stressed out. And once you figure it out, you want to know the roots of it and clear it up. And after clearing up that space, you want to put something positive into it and fill that cleared up space. So this is what is hanged man. So only when clearance is being done, again replanting with positivity can be done. So this is also a blessing to you from the universe. Next is page of swords. Swords means thinkings, and swords means truth. Pages are all research scholars. So you are digging deep within yourselves. So this many days I was thinking, this is who I am. So if this is not who I am, then who am I? This is what you are thinking. So you are keeping on digging deeper and deeper and deeper. I thought I like this, I like this, I like this, but almost I found now it is not that I like all these things. I was habituated to do all these things. I was keeping on doing it. So what do I like? So in every aspect of life, every nook and corner of every aspect, you are researching, who am I? Who am I? You are digging deeper and knowing about yourselves. This is page of swords. And whatever you find out now, you are accepting that truth, and you are standing for that truth, and you are becoming your own backbone. Okay, so you are becoming your emotional support also. This is the blessing in disguise coming for you through page of swords in this Christmas. Okay, now let us see what are the things you have to change from this Christmas to become the better version of yourselves. Let us see what are the things you have to change to become the better version of yourselves. Let us see what are the things you have to change from this Christmas to become the better version of yourselves. So let us see what are the things you have to change to become the better version of yourselves. So let us see what are the things you have to change to become the better version of yourselves. So let us see what are the things you have to change yourselves to become the better version of yourselves. So give me the cards for the change of better version of people who are watching these. Please give me the cards for the people who are watching this video for their betterment. Please give me cards for the people who are watching this video for the betterment of their Judgment and justice both came in your reading. So, what these cards are telling you is judgment is being already written. When the day you are born itself, judgment is being written through the soul contract. So, what is meant for you will definitely, at any cost, will come to you. Okay, so don't be desperate. That is the first thing. So, don't be desperate. That is what you have to change. Okay, leave all the attachments, leave all the codependencies, and become an completely independent individual. That is the first thing you have to change. The next thing is the Empress. The Empress card tells you that if you are not going to be attached, and if you are not going to be like so much of desperateness, neediness, then how should I be? So the thing, next thing you have to change is practice detachment. Okay, and practice becoming really your better version, so that there is no need to manifest anything. What all you are wishing for gets attracted to your better version and comes towards you and stays with you. Okay, so Empress is a person who knows all the 64 arts and crafts. Okay, and she practices all the arts and crafts, whether she masters or not. She makes herself as in divine qualities, and she always vibrates at a higher vibration. That is her best version, and day by day she becomes better, better and better, better and better, and she achieves her best version. Once she becomes her best version, she does not chase anything. Empress does not chase anything. So what all she is wishing for gets automatically attracted towards her and comes towards her and stays with her. Okay, that is this Empress card. The third one is Strength card. Strength card is all about willpower, stamina, and taming your beast. Okay, this is Empress only taming her beast. She's always connected to the universe. Okay, so connecting to the universe, what all universe is teaching her, she is listening. Her higher self's voice is universe voice also, no? So through her higher self, she's listening to the universe, and what all the universe is teaching, she's taking up that coaching, learning everything, and using all that. She's taming her beast. Okay, and so from duality she's learning about all the positivity and negativity. So from that positivity and negativity, she's learning to arrive at a balance. Okay, so when she knows to balance, now she knows to stay in that harmony and balance. After knowing about the duality, darkness and lightness, okay, now she knows how to let go of the things, dark things which is not serving her highest good. So she let goes of all the darkness, and she completely becomes positive under light. Okay, so that is how she stays always in positivity, and that is oneness. Okay, so she comes to oneness. This is what you have to change. Always don't keep complaining, always don't keep blaming others, always don't keep on telling they didn't do that, they didn't do this, they didn't talk to me, they didn't respect me. According to spiritual journey, na, everything is regarding you. What did you do for yourselves? You have your own dreams, you want to live your dreams. You are suffering because you are not able to live your dreams. So what have you done for yourselves? How far have you made yourselves eligible enough to live your dreams in reality? That is what is all matters. So the strength card asks you to change this nature of yours. Stop blaming and stop complaining. Work on yourselves. Make your mindset so much positive that you make yourselves eligible enough to live your dreams in reality. Then Three of Cups. Three of Cups is like your inner celebration. Once you leave all the desperation, then you become your best version. You are taming your beast. You come to self alignment. Self alignment means your mind, your higher self and your brain all comes to self alignment. All your thought conflicts vanishes, and self love is born, and you are always practicing self love, and you are always in self love. You made your life path as self love, self care, self compassion, all these things. Okay, so what is the thing you have to change is always you are being so scared for social conditioning. always you think you want to authentically, you are somebody else, you want to live something else, but you are so scared that what will the society tell me? So what if they pinpoint me? What if they blame me? What if they talk down about me? So keeping on thinking about this, you are keeping on living a self betrayal life. So please do change that nature of living self betrayal life, just being scared for the society, and know what is your self identity. Your authentic essence is your self identity. So stand strong and tall in your own authenticity and live your own authenticity out of self love. That is practicing self love. Okay, so that is what Three of Cups is asking you to do. Next is Justice. So this is Judgment, first card. Last card is Justice. So whatever judgment is being written on the day of soul contract itself, that justice will be served for you. But if that justice has to be served, you have to become eligible enough. So what all is stopping you from becoming eligible enough? Please let go of all those things and make yourselves eligible enough for the justice to be served. That is what this card is telling you. So this is going to be your Christmas gifts universe is giving you, and this is what universe is asking you to change from this Christmas onwards. Okay guys, thank you. Let us meet in some other interesting reading like this. Until then, bye.